approximately 1 in 4 people in the UK will experience a mental health problem each year.
Mental health includes your emotional, psychological and social well-being.
It affects the way we think, feel and act.
Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence through to adulthood.
It can manifest itself in lots of different ways.
It's not always obvious that someone is suffering.
They're afraid of feeling judged.
Because they don't think it's important enough to talk about.
College would rush to call my parents.
They think it's silly, that it will pass.
They feel they might be letting themselves or their family down.
Because people might feel embarrassed about coming forward or find some of these issues difficult to talk about.
Teachers might talk about me in the staff room.
Because it isn't a weakness, it's nothing to be ashamed about.
Everyone deserves to feel happiness.
Sometimes our friends and family are great, but sometimes we need extra support.
Talking to a stranger can be helpful.
No one is meant to feel alone all the time.
There's no shame in needing a little extra support sometimes.
All members of staff are here for your academic achievement and emotional well-being. Everything you say to us will be treated sensitively and professionally.
We treat you as young adults. We would make decisions with you and never behind your back.
You matter.
You matter.
You matter.
You matter.
You're important.
You're important.
You are important.
You're important.
Let's connect and let's talk about mental health.